Hello everyone, and welcome back to my personal finance channel, Your Friendly Budgetarian. So in today's video, I'm just going to try to make a short one just because there's just so many things to update. I'm actually going to have an actual giveaway, which I'm really excited to show you guys soon. So hopefully I will be able to upload the video on that, and as well as my updates with my debt payoff or my debt freedom journey and everything else in between. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, for my total debt left, again, compared to July, I had $11,000 at the end of the month, but with the month of August, there's only $2,400, and I know that I have already explained to you guys about why is there such a tiny amount left and why am I still not announcing my debt payoff, and that is because it's still they're transferring the loan servicing account. I don't know, maybe hopefully by the time that I upload this I will be debt free, but they said that the full transition won't take into effect until September 19th, and I am filming this actually super late at night on 19th, so we'll see, but wish me luck. But yes, I do have the funds and more than what is the remaining debt, but I just can't use it until my account is fully transferred to the new servicing provider. So for the month of August, I have leftover of $2,400 for my student loans. Alright, so for my total savings, this one has definitely increased. As you guys can see, from the month of July, it was at $13,000, and now it has gone down to $7,000, and that is because you will see in my high yield savings account that I transferred the $5,000 amount towards my student loan. And again, for you guys that are new out there, I've used that $5,000 to pay off most of my student loans because at that time I thought that the forbearance was ending, and even then I told myself that I could easily just replenish this account. So hopefully for the month of September, I will be halfway through to replenishing that account back up. So checkings rollover left is about $212. As you can see, I'm really almost emptying my account in here because I'm just too eager to finish paying off my loans. My high yield savings account is down to $518.42. I would say at least, because my high yield savings account is from N1 Spend Plus, and they still have given me the interest even after withdrawing that $5,000 amount, because I think I withdrew it for maybe like 2 days before August ended, and so I think they still kind of counted that towards the interest rate. So the couple dollars there are all from the interest rate. I still have not been putting anything in my high yields money market account. For my brokerage accounts, it's a combination of the M1 Finance and Wealthfront. Again, there's more referral codes in the description box below if you guys would want to try those brokerage accounts. So total overall is $5,312.82. Unfortunately, that one definitely has decreased from the previous month. For my crypto, it's $102.11, considering the fact that I did put in $10 here for the month of August, and it's still not as high. And I think honestly right now, crypto is not really doing well. I haven't really looked at it in a while because I actually have kind of lacked interest in investing to crypto recently, so that's why I'm not going to be putting anything in it towards September or to December, or maybe just kind of fulfill my goal of like $120 for this year. So we'll see. I will let you guys know for sure. For my HSA, I have not put in anything for the month of August, but my employer does contribute about $75 per month, which is a very good thing because it adds on to the contribution limit. So basically I don't have to contribute as much. So I definitely appreciate that. So it's $75 every month. So now it's at $1,441.05. And lastly, I have a couple of cash, but since the start of September, I kind of have used most of these already, unfortunately, but I had $176 for the end of August, which brings me down to $7,762.73 total. Again, $5,000 was withdrawn from my high yield savings account so that I can put it towards my student loan. That's why there's only $2,400 left. All right, so moving on towards my total retirement. So I do have some IRA accounts and also my TSP/401k, which is from my employer. I do have a couple of accounts for my traditional and Roth. I'm not putting them all in one brokerage account. So total for both of them is $14,657.71. I did not put in anything for my IRA account for the month of August, but unfortunately, again, with the bear market, or is it bull? Now I'm getting mixed up with those two. So anyways, it did decrease, unfortunately, but again, we're in the long-term game, so I'm not really too concerned about it right now, honestly. And plus the fact that I have so many things in mind. September is kind of getting a little bit busy. I thought it wasn't, but I guess it is. So I'm not even thinking about it, and especially August when it ended, because we had a lot of getaway or hangouts with my friends, families, and loved ones. So I really can't keep up. So let alone the finances, right? So for my TSP/401k, it also decreased. Again, I put in $350 every paycheck. So for the month of August, there were 2 paychecks, so a total of $700. But even then, it even decreased more. So now it's at $35,076.98. But I guess if you're looking at the total, it's about almost $2,000, I guess, of a loss. So it's $49,734.69 total for my retirement account. All right, and finally, last but not the least, my assets and my net worth. So basically, when calculating net worth, it's going to be assets minus liabilities. And fortunately, since I only have $2,400 for my liabilities, that means I have definitely increased my net worth throughout the years. So let's go first with the total assets for the month of August, and that would be $57,497.42. So again, it's so sad. It already reached the 60,000 mark, and then it decreased. But that's okay. Again, even though it is kind of sad to look at it, it's okay, because again, we're looking at it the long run, and hopefully the next couple of months, or maybe next year, who knows, the market will go back up. So we'll see. Really, my assets right now, it kind of depends on the market, because most of my assets are based off from the market. So we'll see. So total for my net worth is $55,097.42. So not too bad. At least there is still definitely an increase, even with the decrease from my assets. And again, it's really all because of me trying to decrease my liability. So as you can see, this is already a proof that even if you try to increase your assets, if your liabilities are still more, then it doesn't really matter. So make sure you pay off your debts, especially if it's consumer debt, those with high interest rates. That's definitely a no and needs to go. So there's about $1,000, $674.93 for the net worth change from last month. But overall, year-to-date net worth change is at $36,148.03. So looking at my net worth, as you can see, I like looking at this bar graph. It really motivates and inspires me to work, harder and, hopefully reach, I do have a goal of reaching $100,000 net worth for this year, but I don't know, we'll see. Even if I reached like 80,000, I would still be happy about it. I'm not to complain, I think, not a lot of people, I guess, have that capability. So honestly, even with $50,000 net worth, I should really be grateful and happy about it. But yeah, I just try to strive for, kind of a little out of my league type of goal, just so if I don't reach it, at least I didn't feel too bad. And if I reach it, then I will, definitely be, happy about it. So yeah, that is it for my August net worth. If you guys are interested and would like to know more on how I do my finances, please click the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click the notification bell so that you guys will be notified as soon as I upload a new one. So with that said, I hope that you guys have a good day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!